our trader rundown now. Tim Bigham of Options Insider joins us for a look at the market action, and we had a drag on the Dow yesterday.
Yeah, first time in a long time. We'll see if it's the beginning maybe of a short-term top in place. I think given the levels of complacency we're seeing, certainly the doldrums may be starting to set in for the next several weeks.
Are you taking out protection in this market?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think the fact that implied volatility, which is another way to say price of options, is at nearly all-time lows here. So I'm just going out buying some puts as a trade, also as a portfolio protector. Only costs about 1% of the portfolio to insure out to August here. So cheap, cheap, cheap on the price side.
It looks like Netflix is headed for the stars. Are you a buyer?
I'm actually looking to be a seller here. I'll kind of wait for the market to tell me, when enough is enough here. But certainly the subscriber growth impressive. I'm a Netflix subscriber. Don't know anyone who isn't. But the content cost, cash burn, always alarming.
Okay, so I'm not a subscriber.
Oh, you're not? We'll
Maybe
get
someday.
you on board.
I know,
We will
I
get
know.
you on, convert you.
I feel it coming. Let's talk about the Fed here. Is there a Fed trade still out there?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the fact that the Fed is trying to jawbone that they're going to raise rates here, but given the economic data, I think they'll be sitting on their hands for longer than people think. I think one more and done. I don't think we'll see that 3 or 4 that were, kind of baked in at the beginning of the year. So because of that, I think the financials will suffer in a lower rate environment. Conversely, weaker dollar, good for kind of the metals, oil, the commodity stocks here. So I'm kind of taking a short on the banks, getting long some of the commodities as kind of a hedge trade.
What banks are you shorting here?
Always go with kind of the big banks, JP Morgan, Bank America, Citigroup, even Goldman. So I like to play there. On the converse side for the gold stocks, looking at the major names as well, kind of the Newmonts, American Barrick, even GDX, the gold ETF on the big boys.
Well, thank you for coming on the show.
You bet, anytime, Edge.